Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you some Adsterra tutorial on how to earn without a blog. Adsterra is a networking company that pays people, both blogger, affiliate marketer, and all that through various means. So I will show you today how you can earn money without having a blog for people that don't blog and all that. You can still earn money on Adsterra. So if today is your first time visiting my channel at busyjoe.com, please do it to subscribe to my channel at busyjoe.com and share our content to your friends and family. So on our channel, we have some great content there, ranging from blogging, how to make money online, digital marketing, and a whole lot of content there. So you can search for our channel at busyjoe.com on YouTube and all other social platforms. So and on Bizyjoe Technology, we offer some great services such as web design, app design, SMM, graphic design, social search engine optimization, and so on. So you can contact us on any of these services above or refer us for a commission. So once you refer us to your friend and family, you are getting a commission from us. So do well to hit us up for any digital services. So let's go to adsterra.com. So the official website is adsterra.com, but I will leave the link on the description box below. So do well to check the description box. So it's a global advertising and CPA affiliate network with unique partner care and approach. Currently, Adsterra is one of the best alternative to Google AdSense in terms of network. That's blogger network. So it was founded in 2013 and all that on 248 geo locations and 33K partners. So this is their website. Advertisers, you can advertise your products here. Then for publishers like bloggers and all that, then affiliates. So if you're not making money as a publisher, that means you're making money as an affiliate. So if you don't want to make money with your blog, that means you're making money as an affiliate. You don't need to actually have a blog to make money as an affiliate. So the next that's just their this is the type of ads they offer. They have pop under social bar, in page, and all that. So you can go to their websites and spend your time and read about them and all their blog posts. So I just want to show you how to make money without a blog. So what the first and foremost to do is just to sign up on Adsterra. If you don't have accounts on with them, just click on sign up button. Once you click on sign up button, you sign up with them. You are either signing up as a publisher or as an affiliate. Do you understand? So since you don't want you don't have a blog and you don't have intention of having a blog, that means the best option is to sign up as an affiliate. Do you understand? But one thing here is that whether you sign up when you sign up as a publisher, you also sign up as an affiliate because they give you the dashboard. You understand? So you can sign up as a publisher, then as a publisher you're also having an affiliate program there. So but anyone you can click on sign up as an affiliate, then you just sign up and fill the form. Once you fill the form, then they will giving you a dashboard. You will get your own dashboard where you can get your promotional. Okay, let's go on. So what to do is I'll put in my email. So I think let me find another. Let me use this. Let me find. Let me choose. Let me check. Okay. So they're telling me to confirm my email at busyjoe@com. So let me confirm this email currently. Let me confirm it. So I verified my account. So what I need to do is just to let me refresh this page and see. I use my phone to verify the account. So I can now log in to my account. My login is so this is just how to sign up on on the platform as an affiliate. So once you sign up, they'll be giving you your affiliate dashboard. So they are loading my affiliate platform. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to do. It's very easy to do. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So let me save this password. So the stuff now is how do you promote this affiliate uh, codes and all that. So this is their affiliate platform. These are CPAs. So payout is zero. This is payout. This is mobile subscription. This is dating and all that. So this is how you can actually make money without blogging, without putting a code on your blog and all that. So you can join Adsterra as an affiliate. You can join them as an affiliate and start promoting your affiliate product and code. So you can, if you want to promote any of these particular stuff, this is private. So this is, what you need to do is just to click and get offer. So as you can see, this is the geolocation. This one is Nigeria. This is Nigeria. Then this. So always check the geolocation. So and you see their payout. This is 0.126 per CPA. That's that per action. This is CPA cost per action. They are going to pay this. So this for dating. So this the CPA is 1.8 to 2.4. The CPA is very high here. This one also high. So this is the country that they are looking for. This is where you are going to promote this particular offer. So if you I can click on get offer. So once I click on get offer, then I will request for a link. Once I can request for a link, a request has been sent. Our manager will contact you as soon as possible. So I will wait. Maybe after some minutes or hour, as the case may be, their manager will contact me and give me a link. So it's that link that I will now promote. So on my next video, I will make a video on how to promote those CPA offers, those affiliate link offers, how you can promote it and get traffic to them so that you can be able to make money. As you can see, these are CPA offers. So you don't need much. What you need to do is just to promote it and get paid. So these are offer, these are global and all that. And even this is my publisher account. They are different. This is my publisher account. Let me open it. This is my publisher account. I'm using this as a publisher. As you can see, I've already have more than 170 this as a balance. This is how much I've made so far on Adsterra. So as I'm having this balance currently, I've withdrawn on this my publisher. This is the publisher account. So what I just also have another way through which you can earn here. You can earn as a referral. So when you refer people to Adsterra, they will still pay you. You understand? When you refer people to Adsterra, I think I've made some cash here on referral. So what you need to do just to get your referral link. This is my referral link. Share it to your friends. Let them sign up on Adsterra and start making money. Once they start making money on Adsterra, Adsterra will pay you 5% of their revenue lifetime. So once those your friends keep on making money here, you keep on earning. So this is another way you can make money on Adsterra as a publisher through referral without even having a blog. You don't need to write any blog posts, put their banner on your website and all that. So this is how you can actually make money without having a blog. So I you can join them as an affiliate and promote your affiliate product. So an Adsterra affiliate product is a CP affiliate product. So it's cost per action. So the person don't actually need to buy a product for you to earn a commission. No. Once the person completes an action, then you are good to go. You are going to make your money there. So if you find anybody in this particular tutorial, please do well to subscribe to my channel at bizyjoe.com and share our tutorial to your friends and family and all that. So have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video.